The more energy you invest in pushing, and there it just like at the same time, one day, if nothing stays the same, just swings back in that same amount towards yourself. So this is why we say, walking through this lifetime and learning mentally, leave the things as they are.
In life, every moment invites a decision. Some are small and disappear with the day. Others shape the direction of our entire path. Yet many people hesitate, not because they don't know what to choose, but because they don't know how to see clearly. When it comes to decision-making, clarity is more important than speed. This is why the Shaolin path begins with one word: observation.
So very often when we walk through this lifetime, there is either something that you like or something that you dislike. The consequence of liking for many of us is you see something and you start to have this positive feeling. Yeah, we like positive feelings. That's why positive feeling is something we would actually like to bring closer to us. You like your girlfriend, you like your boyfriend, so that means you want to keep her, him close. The person is here already. The situation is here already. What you are doing right now is you try to bring it closer than it is. You are forcing it to be closer. The problem is that the more you force it, we say in the Buddhist teachings, nothing stays as it is. So after you have a long way of forcing and pulling, if then the time comes, then you see that the amount of what you started to force and pull is just gonna like move in the opposite direction. You force something into a situation, into a person, which is not how it is. How is it? That's how it is.
Balanced.
So it's there already. Why do you want to bring it closer? Enjoy right now what you have here.
So ask yourself each day, how do I move? How do I sit? How do I treat my body? And how do I feed my mind? Because the answer to these questions shapes your destiny. Every breath you take is a choice, to be present or to be lost. Every step you take is an opportunity, to walk with awareness or to stumble in distraction. There is no separation between the body and the mind. What you do to one, you do to the other. Respect your body, and your mind will thank you. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a powerful Qigong posture shared by Master Shi Heng Yi. This posture may look simple, but it holds deep wisdom rooted in ancient traditions, focused on restoring balance between the body and the mind.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we continue with this movement, but this time the arms take them out, so the movement becomes bigger. So again, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This movement is like the ocean wave, rising with vitality, falling with surrender. It teaches your mind to let go, to become still, and in stillness, you begin to hear the deeper voice within.
9, 10. Yeah, continue. Continue with the movement. Yeah, in this exercise, you need to stay relaxed and feel the elasticity of the body. Yeah, so every time that you're turning onto one side, the elasticity of the body pulls you back to move in the other direction. Yeah, just keep moving. Yeah, we don't do too many exercises today, but I try to explain to you on what you are paying attention to. Now, for example, here on my disciple, on the rear leg, you can always lift the heel up a little bit. So this removes the pressure on the knee. Yeah, but really use this movement and stretch the body open. And we go from here 36 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, that was the spine. Body slowly starts to also get warm. Let's take the hip and rotate one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Your breath is your anchor. When your breath is calm, your thoughts become silent.
8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, next area, take the knees, feet together, both palms, place them, support the knees, then squat. 1, leg straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The flowing forms are not random. They mirror the natural flow of rivers, winds, and stars. When you move with intention, you unlock energy. You invite healing. You awaken balance.
7, 8, 9, and 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 6 more, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then knees finished. Let's take the ankle. Okay, so lift the knee up. We take the ankles and rotate them inside 36 times. Yeah, keep the balance. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This posture grounds you, stabilizes the nervous system, and brings clarity to the mind. It's like charging a battery, except the battery is you.
7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same exercise, other leg. Ground yourself, stand stable, other knee, lift up. You can use your arms to hold the balance. So if you fall, balance yourself out, and the knee lift it up. Then rotate inwards. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same exercise, other leg again, but this time rotate the other direction. So up, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This time turn outwards. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
When energy flows without restriction,
9,
pain and
10.
fatigue dissolve.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other leg again, and up and outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shake off the legs, and then now slowly start jumping. Small jumps first, and then we get a little bit bigger. Yeah, just jump. Hands